Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the 9th class Democratic Politics we will discuss the lesson what democracy and why democracy, and our topic of the day is democracy. The term does not prove testimony of success. Means democracy which is well defined in the definition and meaning, but many of the countries, many of the ruler, many of the will say leader of the country, they just pretend that they are having the democracy. Actually they are just confusing the people of their country that they are just practicing the democracy. But we will see and we will discover that the countries where there is not the very actual form of the democracy, even in these countries they have not adopted the democracy, but still they are just pretending that they are having the democracy. And we will say discuss this lesson with the cartoons, with the you'll say example. Let's we see. So student, democracy is the form of government where the people choose their rulers through the elections, and they just come in the power as a representative people. And in such a way the democratic government which just make the policies and program, and it just also generate the public opinion, and all these features are very attractive towards the political parties, towards the democracies. And many of the people of the world, they just move towards the, I will say, democracy with its this type of the attraction. But when we see that democracy, what we say here, that we maintain the success of democracy in a very typical way, in a very difficult way. But democratic principles and features are very you will say attractive when we operate it, when we practice it in the country. Then it become very difficult. It means we are just discussing here the prudential regions of the democracies and moral region of the democracies. Means while we just discussing it, while we are just making the part in the debate, and when we operate it, when we practice it in the country, then how much it become very difficult. So student, military means army rule of the Myanmar, and where the army and the military rulers they became the ruler of the country, and they also just show it or pretend it in the world that they are running the democracies. With what we say in the you will say democracy, the ruler means the person who lead the country, who head the country. But ruler is not mean that there is the one term the ruler and there is the democracy. So it means they are just pretending that they are not having any kind of the, you will say, part of the democracy they are having. Even Aung San Suu Kyi, she was the activist in the Myanmar, and she also protested of these military operations, and she also protested many times of this military attempt in the country. Those even these military rulers, they have made her the home, you will say, imprisonment in the her house for many years. And second example we will see here, dictator Pinochet became the ruler. Means the person who became the ruler of the country, and when he killed the Salvador Allende, Salvador Allende was the PM of the country in Chile, but he presented himself as the ruler, and he come in the power through not through the wrong way, and he proved himself as the ruler of the country. Even after the referendum he was failed, and he had to lose his post. And what is the things what he had pretended in the world, that he is the ruler of the country. And many of the things we can see in the Saudi Arabia, where the royal born family member became the ruler of the country, and they are just a ruler because they born in the royal family, so they became the ruler only. Because many of the things we can see in the many of the countries in the world, such as a contest election. This is a procedure which is applied in China, Pakistan and Iraq. What is the common thing in these countries? At China, where there is election, but this election does not become very genuine elections in the country, because there is not any the rival party of the ruling party. So always the ruling party will say win the elections, and it does not face any kind of the protest from the, you will say, rival party. Second thing, the Pakistan, where the you will say political party is just come in the power through the elections. But what we find here in the Pakistan, that in Pakistan mostly time it has been seen, and the history of the Pakistan is not very good and not very healthy, because many times the military also overthrown the democracies, overthrown the political parties, means the democratic government, and many times it has been seen that elections was a part of these countries, but the elections was not the testimonial for the maintenance of the democracy in that country. And Iraq, where the example, and through the example I have tried to show with the example that with the cartoon also, that in this country where the army which was sent from the USA, and it has given the task to just maintain the democratic government. But what we find here in Iraq, that these soldiers, they are just maintaining the democracy with the help of military. It means democracy, what we find here with this word also, how means in what way it has been shown here or written here. What we find here, that democracy where there is the, we will say, power of the military. With the effort of military, the democracy has been settled in Iraq. It means this is not the you say good symptom of the democracies. So it means the only the elections, only the ruling leaders, only the parties, political parties are not the, you will say, testimonial part which make the country as a democratic country very truly. It is not very clear. It is totally a wrong things. Political parties are the part in what we find here in Russian Ghana, and what we find here, that the same party which became the ruler for many times, and they have repeated themselves as a ruler of the country. Majority party means in democracy, what we find here, the majority party, what we say in democracy, majority party, when in the election the party which secured the maximum seat, that party became the majority party, and that party have given the invitation to prove their majority. Obviously the largest party have given the, you will say, invitation for proving their majority. And but we find in this country, China, Russia, where the majority party always prove the majority, because there is not the good rival in the country. So student, what we find here in this small debate, that only the term democracy is not the guarantee or the testimony of the democracy, because democracy, if it is there in the country, then it have to pass many of the tests, because in democracy one test that is over, it means that democracy has passed the exam. It means that democracy have to pass many of the exam, means after one exam democracy have to await for the next exam. So student, I hope you are getting well all these lecture, and it will help you to understand well all these cartoons and how much it has been narrated or debated or discussed. You can understand the lecture which you are getting it, and hope you are getting well all these lecture. If any problem, you can comment it. So student, thank you for watching me and listening me.